I wanted to change this closet entirely because I'm not adding doors to we're done. My room is undergoing major reconstruction. This is a room that's been for 16 years. Anyways, the first thing to change was I added the shelf, which is all the way cluttered here, but that would change. And this mirror, and I changed my curtains, which you can see. But right now, I'm working to change this closet entirely because I want to film fashion content, but I do not like what this looks like. It looks like a run-down old apartment, like nah. So we're gonna change that. They're gonna come in and change that, and yeah. It's a mess. And this thing is so dusty, oh my goodness. This is what we have so far. I'm gonna insert the inspo picture obviously, but yeah. I made a few customizations to mine. What's in the
Yeah. Sweet. Yeah. What are you?
Good morning, guys. It is another day, and my lips are still busted, but it doesn't matter. The men that are doing my closet are here, and they're gonna add in doors today. I want a full length door for this side, and then we're gonna do double doors for every other one. Let me show you guys. So for this side, it's gonna have a full length door. They're still gonna add like a upper portion for shoe rack. This bit is gonna have double doors, and this up and down will have double doors as well. So there's gonna be hanger here, and hanger here. This space is for folding clothes. I don't really fold clothes, only for natives. And I think I'm gonna get some baskets or bags for like underwear. But I feel like this space is gonna be enough to fit, so yeah. So that is the update, and I'm gonna go check for like white curtains. I don't know, I feel like I wanna keep this on because it does a good job in blocking out light. We'll see. We'll see. Am I gonna pick aesthetic over comfort or not? I feel like the brown door and the brown curtains, it works. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Yeah. Almost everything in my room matches to some degree. I'm just done spending my father's money on this room because I should be married by now and spending my husband's money, but I'm not. So I'm spending my father's money. Yeah, that works for me. While I'm waiting for them to come up. They actually around. They're in the compound, but I have not set my eyes on them just yet. Let's see if they're working. They put the doors. I'm excited for this. Okay, so this is what we have so far. This place is a bit iffy about, but I wasn't here when they were fixing it, so it doesn't really matter. We're done. Guys, look at the mess. But we're done. I love that I have this much shoe space. But I don't have a lot of shoes though, so I'm gonna have to spend some money. I think I'm gonna put some of my purses there and some of my business stuff right in there. So my shelf can be free and I can arrange my makeup around. Yeah. My sister and I want to get white paint so we can... Yeah, there's a lot of work that has been done. I had to figure out how I'm going to block the hole that is right here so I can take this out, because creatures be coming in my room and I don't like that at all. So yeah, I'm so excited for this. I still have to clean it though. There's a lot of space. I'm keeping the door open, but we're done. Okay, we have a wet towel. Let's go. We're going to clean the outside first. People have succeeded in giving me extracurricular activities, because I actually either have to get a ladder or I have to stack these chairs to access my shoe rack, which is actually insane. But that's okay. I don't have a lot of shoes. My shoes will probably fit in this first row. So yeah, let's see what happens. I like that there's a lot of space. And I want to move these boxes to the topmost shelves, because I have a lot of these boxes from South Korea. They were my PR. Okay, so I've arranged most of my shoes. Now I'm going to start my clothes. I think the first box here for my natives. So one down, four to go. Hello, my Redeemer lives. Way too high till the morning. Who told the ocean you can only go perfect this far? And who told the moon we're too high to live it? Who's what low can catch a falling star? I need to lose weight because this is my favorite gown and doesn't even fit. Oh my goodness. This too, I want to create content with, so I'm gonna just leave them like this. I put them here. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday today, and I've pretty much done like 70% of my closet. Yeah, and 70% of my room too is being handled. So yeah, so what I want to do is finish putting out the rest of my clothes. I have one luggage left, and then I have to do laundry. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What's up, you guys? I'm actually about to sleep because I was reading. Yeah, I was reading this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Damn, and I'm currently on page 82, and I was just feeling very sleepy, so I said I was going to take a nap, but I ordered something and it came in. Uncle's wife sells like varieties, so I've gotten one hanger from her before, and it was like literally okay. It was this one. So yeah, I'm going to put my tops in here. I have more tops to be hung. Anyways, also I'm gonna keep reading this book, but for now I want to try a new setup for my fashion content. One more light, but I don't really use that one because it only uses batteries, so yeah. This is it. This is my current phone stand. Just ignore the mess in the background. And she goes like that. So I can vlog on the go. If I tell you I arranged my room last night, you're not going to believe me, so we're just not going to talk about it. And I also need to do laundry, but there's no like NEPA light, so I can't use the washer just yet. Yeah, that's my life. I just spent the last 2 hours filming for like Instagram and TikTok and YouTube Shorts, obviously. Yeah. Ugh, I hate when hair gets stuck on my lip gloss. Oh, it's on the other side. What do we think? Do we like? Let me set you guys down. This are the two lights that well, three actually. This one right here. Okay, let's film short for content. This is a glueless unit from Tinashe here. And I am slaying this, okay? I'm gonna film some short form fashion content, so yeah. I'll see you guys later.